Hey everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, basically today I'm gonna be talking about entry confirmation on LTF, that is lower time frame. Okay, basically this is gonna be, I don't intend it to be that much long, but like if you want to understand and learn, you want to learn and see how everything works clearly, and you want to literally be profitable, you understand. It's not like it's guaranteed, but like you want to see yourself, you want to like have the knowledge of the lower time frame confirmation, because most of the times you see some trade setup, but like if you enter it goes against you, because one, you didn't actually see any confirmation before you took the trade, you understand. So that is what I'll be breaking down in this video, you understand. So basically you have things to look out there, about 6 of them, right? Number one is you look at the current price action. After I list all this, I'll go and I will show you guys trades we took on USD card. Also, I did this, I traded live on our YouTube channel, so I'll show you guys everything, right? How I took that trade. That trade gave us around 40 pips plus. In fact, from there was a change of character in the market, and the market literally keep going up since then. So but like the first thing to focus on looking for entry on the lower, that is entry confirmation on the lower time frame, is one, you look for the current price action, which is literally what you'll be seeing in your chart. I'll be going over to the charts to show you guys more. Then focus on the overall market structure. The overall market structure, I'll be showing you guys that. Also have a clear liquidity put to target, you understand. You have a clear liquidity put to target after the opposing end has been taken out. I'll still explain this. Risk what you want to lose, maybe 20 pips or 25 pips stop loss, right? Then have plans for partial, like have a level you wish to take partial profits, that is maybe half or anything. Then be disciplined. So I'll literally be explaining all this. So basically, before I start, let me go over to our YouTube. Let me show you guys the live video I took the trade, because I'll be using that trade as an example. Although I traded it live, you can see it live trading USD cards. Look at it here, live trading USD card on a $200k FTMO funded account. So basically this was live. Okay, now you can look at this trade in particular. Now when I took this trade literally haven't started, and I actually thought a bit on how, like, it was a live trade. I explained everything, like I explained everything literally. Let me actually, okay, look at it here. So this when the trade was literally about to start. This price is finding it difficult to actually break this low, but I think it is gonna break this low before going up, right? But in the aspect of that, this forex trading, you have to risk something to. That is not literally what we are here for today. So I'll be going over to my trading view right now to literally break down everything. You saw the trade right there, right? So I'll be like showing you guys more. I'll be using this USD card that literally has less analysis on it. Okay, look at the trade in particular, right? Now you can see the trade smashed take profits. You understand? Look at this, the trade here. I'll show you guys the confirmation of this trade, like how I actually have the confidence to take this trade and to risk this, you understand, and to get this, right? And you can see from there the trade, the USD card has been in an uptrend since then. And basically I did not held, like, this might take profit now, but look at the market actually expand further, you understand, and now trying to pull back. So basically I will show you guys what I really look out for on taking this trade, and what I will actually take, like trades I'm about to take very soon right now, you understand. So do well to watch at the end, like watch till the end, right? So explaining this, actually, basically, let me go to the daily time frame. This was at 19 or so. So basically I'll use the current price action now to see, right? But I just show you guys the trade we took, you understand. It was literally was successful. So you on your on USD card, right? So you want to actually, in fact, this is a clear chart, this is a clear daily chart. You can actually start from the weekly. Remember, entry confirmation on lower time frame does not mean you don't you will not look at your higher time frames, right? So basically this is the weekly time frame, right? And you looking at the weekly time frame, the easiest thing is just to look for the current market price action, right? So basically this is a high, This is a high. You can use the week, you can use the body, anyone you literally want to use. This is the current weekly highs, and this is the current weekly lows. This is this, yeah, this is the current weekly low, like the present current market and price action. Now from here, what can you see from here? We have been in an uptrend, right? The market is literally moving up, you understand? So we have been in an uptrend. So in an uptrend, what is advised to look for? You wait for a pullback, then you enter your buys, right? It's not like you target this high, no, because this is literally very far, right? Because one, these are the weekly time frame we are looking at it from now, so it will take days or even years to literally happen. It cannot take up to 6 months or like a year to happen. So after marking this out, you drop down to your daily time frame. So with the aspect of marking that down, so you dropping down to the daily, you see things more clearer now. You understand? See that price has this strong rejection zone, like from here. Price literally has been rejecting from there, but it's not really what to bother or focus on, right? So on the daily, basically USD card doesn't have any sweet price action. You can use dollar index as your strong confluence on USD card, right? So yeah, but overall, there are many other characteristics to take a trade. You don't just take a trade based on like that. Like basically that trade, how did we take that trade last week or so? Yeah, first of all, you check the fundamentals, check if there is any high impact news, check the time of the news. Then depends on the section. That was a New York open trade, right? Traded New York session, you understand? New York open. And also basically after the New York open, I have to like leave the market. I like that was around 1:30 GMT. Yeah, so you have to check your fundamentals also. You have to know what is happening. So, and all this is literally what we teach in the VIP mentorship, right? If you want to know more, do well to actually contact me on WhatsApp. There is link at the video description below, right? So do well to use the links. You understand? If it's on my Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere you want to contact me, feel free to contact me. And do well to join our Telegram, because I post also my trade setups and analysis on the free Telegram channel. That is not really VIPs are for those that really want to learn the main thing. If you just want to keep seeing like our trades or anything, you don't care about learning, that is your own cup of tea, right? So that is basically that. So but basically, if you want to gain knowledge, if you want to learn the main thing, don't think it's easy. It's not really easy, right? So just do well to contact me. So for us to continue, so we have seen the current price action, right? So what is the overall market structure? The overall market structure here now is what? In an uptrend. Market is in an uptrend, and once the market is in an uptrend, you see price forming higher highs and lower highs, higher highs, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, right? What are you going to be what are you looking for when you see the market in an uptrend? You should be looking for buys, not sells, because the sales that will happen now is literally no is will I say is a retracement, right? And you cannot compare the sales to the next buy that will happen, because the next buy will literally break structure, and the sell is not going to actually take out the previous high, or sorry, previous low, because if the sell takes out this low, then it is change in market like there is a change in market structure. Then you should start looking for sales, and that is why you need confirmation. You understand? That is why you need confirmation. You don't just enter the market just like that. And that is why we are here to that is what I'm teaching here, basically how to know the lower time frame market structure, like confirmation on the lower time frame. So have a clear liquidity pool to target at the opposing end. Sorry. So basically now we have seen that the market is an uptrend. We have seen the current price action, right? So we'll drop down to the 4-hourly time frame. So dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, look at this low now. This is a clear liquidity pool, right? So expecting price to draw around there. So what are you going to do? Basically, you will go from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. You don't just look at the lower time frame to do your analysis, okay? So overall, this is a strong zone here on the 4-hour time frame, but I'll break it down once I go lower. Like once I go into the lower time frame, I'll keep breaking it down for it to be literally exact, right? So lower here is a clear liquidity pool, and where is the next liquidity pool? Is up here. So this is the next, right? So this is the next, actually this is the next pull here. You understand? I'm not using my PC, so I believe you guys are literally seeing. So these are just the immediate, like, recent liquidity pools. There are others here, the clearer ones, like this one's also here, but like this is where we took the trades that day, right? So basically there's, all this is what you literally have to, you have to be like conversant with the, let me say, price action happening. So there is a break here. So let me just try to analyze a bit, although I don't really have, because I'm seeing everything, but like for the sake of this video, let me show you guys what I'm really talking about here. So there is a larger break from here now to here. So expecting price, and you can see price came down here, tap into this liquidity pool, pushed up. Now this is a retracement. You don't expect the retracement to break this low, because price have already tapped into it. Price broke higher, broke this structure. I don't know how I'll draw this, but like I guess I'll just have to. You can see price literally broke this structure, right? Then came back to like tap into it. Price literally broke this structure, then came back to tap into it. Look at where price tapped into it. This bearish candle here. See, this is the tapping into it, right? So price came back to tap into it. And as you can see, this point of interest I draw out in the 4 hour, you can see as price literally came back here, tap into it, and is pushing up now. So this is an uptrend. You should be looking for buys, and for you to look for buys, you have to wait for price to like retrace a bit, then you enter your buys. So let me drop down to the 1 hour time frame to refine it further. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame now, I can see that this, I'll refine the block the rectangle I just drew, right? So I just keep refining it to be smaller to the particular place I literally expect it to be. So it's literally here. So dropping down to the 1 hour now, you can see that price literally tapped this place, this liquidity here, you understand? But like, you don't really start buying from here, right? So look at that solid trade we took here. Uptrend, we looked for buy, we take profit one around there. So basically now, what am I actually looking out for on USD card? So expecting price to literally come lower into this place, then kick off to the upside. And where is our target? This is our target, 1.3100. And how many pips is that? So you know, because your first take profit now should be around this previous day high, right? That's where your first take profit to be here, and this is 60 pips. Then overall trade is 100 pips. You can see. So your first take profit should be here, second is here, because once price breaks here, it will retest a bit, then keep going higher. You understand? So this, like this, if this level is not literally like price is not actually break lower, and now you don't enter once price actually reach here, you now start buying. No, that is the entry confirmation on the lower time frame I'll literally be teaching. Okay, I'm teaching currently. So like going down to the 15 minutes time frame now to see things clearly. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, right? So this is that pullback price literally. And also anything you're doing, have in mind that once price takes out this low, then you're not literally interested anymore. Let me show you guys the row. Where's my horizontal ray? So here, once price takes out this low, you understand, this low 1.29715 or so. So anything price is literally doing now, let price not literally what take out this low. Once price take out this low, then you should be out, right? You're not actually buying again. So but like, once price also comes to this zone, you're not literally just buying straight up. No, you're not buying straight up. And looking at the 15 minutes time frame, there is a break of structure here, so price shouldn't actually even go lower than where it currently is now. So this break of structure here, as you can see, there's a break of structure here, price pull back. Then there is also a break of structure lower here. There's a break of structure lower here. So this just, I'm marking out this so that you'll be seeing it, but I think basically I'm like seeing it clear. My lines shouldn't really be clear. So once price broke lower here, price actually went ahead to break higher, also break these current highs here. Let me just keep marking it out for you guys to see what is happening. So price broke higher here, you understand. Then also price also came down again to also break low. So these are just this lower time frame, and lower time frame is literally what sometimes noisy, you understand. The lower time frame is noisy, right? You just have to keep seeing market shift, breaking markets going up and down. So it's not like the lower time frame does not affect the overall market, but like it shouldn't really be the main confluence, right? Lower time frame shouldn't be the main confluence. So expecting price to actually come around here. This is 1.299445. So from price coming around here, so let me bring out my long tool. So if I'm to take this trade now, so literally I'll wait to see price here first. You understand? This is the TP1, 60 something pips. And what am I risking? So basically, sometimes you don't really have to put your stop loss beneath these lows. No, you understand? You can actually just keep it slightly before, because anything that literally makes price come up to this extent, then this low is gonna be taken out, right? So that is, and this is 20 pips. I literally love risking 20 pips. If I want to modify it, I'll just wait for price to come lower. So literally risking 20 pips to get 60 something pips, or overall pips target of 100 and something pips. So this is just my trades now, the trading plan. And believe me, this trade might actually not end up happening today, right? You might try to see price going higher, taking out this high, then you wait for a pullback to buy. It's not much like price will literally come to this zone, no. But once price come to this zone, you need to have what? A confirmation. And that confirmation is what will give you more confidence to take this buy. So basically, this video I didn't intend to make it longer, right? So but like, if you really want to learn more on what to look out for when price actually comes down to this zone, right, before you take this buy, because you cannot just start buying immediately see price here, you understand. Even if it's a buy, or even if it will happen, it's no advice you literally just enter your buys currently and put your stop loss. You can do it, but sometimes price will end up hitting your stop loss. There are some things to look out for. There are some characteristics you have to literally focus on and like have in mind in placing buys. You don't just wake up to literally place buys and sells in the market. And even before price actually comes to this zone, price will literally come up here first before actually coming down. So all these things is what you look out for. So for me to actually even take this, but I don't want price to come straight low. No, I want the markets, I want the framework to be great, right? So for example, let me bring out my fib retracement tool. So from this top to this low, so you can see, so expecting price to come at the 50% retracement, or even 62 or 79, then boom. Then, and let me go back to the 15 minutes to show you guys the bigger picture also. So basically, the lower time frame is really interesting, right? The lower time frame is really interesting overall, but you have to understand it, right? So if you literally want to learn more, do well to contact me to join our VIP mentorship, because these are literally the stuff and the things you will be learning. Okay, so these are the things you'll be learning. You understand? So do well to actually join contact me to join our VIP mentorship, and also join our Telegram group, because I post free stuffs there. So I thank you guys for watching this video. Yes, I thank you all for watching this video up to this extent. You can see I've literally explained everything here. Have plans for partials. So the partial would have been 60 something pips, and overall trade is 100 pips. Then be disciplined. Discipline is a personal stuff. It's not really, I don't really know where I'll start teaching the discipline from, but like, you should be disciplined, right? Should be disciplined. So that is literally it. I've shown you guys the opposing edge. I've shown you guys the clear liquidity pools. I've literally explained everything, but the main confirmation is what I know I did not explain currently. And there are some things that will happen before price reach here, which you should literally have in mind. And if you don't see it, just don't care about the buys again. I will no longer be interested on these buys currently. I'll be looking for sells. So overall, looking at the daily time frame also, you anticipate the daily, what is the daily expansion. As you can see, even this is a clear sweet day, and you don't even expect this whole move to happen today. I'm not expecting this move to happen today, literally. and also this is actually the open of previous day open. Actually, that is where my entry is looking to be. So this looks like a tomorrow trade, right? Trades I'll be taking tomorrow, and if it's tomorrow, then I'll wait for New York section, then other characteristics I'm looking out for. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Do well to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.